Boys, what's going on, you bunch of fucking jabronis? Welcome back to another video. Hope you guys watched the last video. It was pretty epic, even though it was a hell of a time editing that thing. It took me like 5 fucking hours, but it came out great. At least I think so. But today, like I said in the CD7 video, that we were going to be working on the Integra next. Look at this thing. Look how fucking, I don't even know if you could tell because the GoPro lies, but how dull the paint is. But today, this might be a multi-day video, but we are going to clean up the paint on this car and restore it to its former glory, which it used to look really good. But yeah, I'm gonna try and put some before pictures and after. Let's actually let's do a quick walk around. Alright, yeah, the paint looks pretty bad. You've probably just seen it in that walk around. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna throw this time lapse up and we're just gonna start getting to work. Alright? Alright. Alright, boys. Just did the first pass with some compound here, some good shit, wires, and I just wanted to take a quick second to show you the difference between the dull, dingy looking paint and then just one pass of the compound, and it just looks a million times better already. I mean, there's some spots that need some more work, but I just did a quick one. I'm gonna go over it again. But yeah, we're gonna move on to the door, and I don't know, I might change the position of the time lapse because you guys really can't see shit. So yeah, so this one, look how good it looks. So it's already coming back. It's already coming back. Some people that will remain nameless were asking, why are you holding on to this DA? Well, for one, it's a fucking DA, and for two, it cleans up really well. It may not be the cleanest DA, but it's our DA. Anyway, back to the time lapse. She. Alright, boys, so we have finished our first pass on the left side for the most part. So it looks a lot better already. A lot better. This hood is definitely going to be a challenge. Just look at the difference, Jesus Christ. Yeah, this car sat for like 2.5 years, probably going on 3 years now. And unfortunately, the clear coat is seriously showing some signs of fading. Like probably can't see it, but on this fender here, it's starting to bubble a little bit, which the clear coat is definitely separating from the paint. But whatever. This hood is going to be the biggest challenge because it's so dull. Honestly, I probably should have clayed it, but with how fucking shitty the paint is, I'd go through fucking, 200 gram bars like that. So I said, fuck it, we're just gonna send it. I pressure washed the fuck out of this car. I just didn't record it. So I got most of the dirt off. But yeah, the hood looks, this side of the hood looks 100 times better. We're going for about 200 times better. It's still a little dull. It's way better than it was before, but we're going for about 200 times better. So what we're gonna do is we're going to, I'm not sure yet. I think we're gonna switch to, it's gonna be either the fine cleaner, mirror glaze from Meguiar's, or we're going to switch to the ultimate polish from Meguiar's. I think I'm gonna do the fine cut cleaner just because there's definitely some stubborn spots of dirt. So back to the time lapse. See you guys. Jeez. Alright, boys. So, this shit is exhausting. Any of you out there that do this for a living, professionally, 8 to 10, 12 hours a day, you are a god. Because this shit breaks my back. But anyway, so we just got the fucking hood completely done. I mean, it could look better. In the GoPro, it looks really good, but it's a mile away from, 10 miles away from where what it looked like before. Nice deep red. I think this is Milano red. Originally, this year, Integra is I believe Torino red, which is the color of the bumper. That's why they don't fucking match. This bumper is complete AIDS. It's just so hard to find a DA bumper that we just never got around to getting one. So the hood looks great. I mean, 100 million times better than it did when we started out, which is cool. Still have to do the final stage on this side. Still have to do the roof. God, this stuff is so exhausting. I don't even know how long I've been out here for. Do the roof, do the hatch, hit the rear bumper, and then shit, it looks good. Then it'll be all done. All right, boys, back to the time lapse. I don't even know if I'm gonna do time lapse actually. I might just end it here and pick back up when we install our traction bar. And we're gonna lower it a little bit more. That's probably gonna be tomorrow because it's getting late. My girl's gonna be home soon. We're gonna have to make dinner, eat some shit. But yeah, tomorrow, lower the car, put the traction bar on. It's gonna be sick. Hell yeah. Hey boys, it's a new day. Kind of stopped last night because it was getting late, and like I said, needed to cook dinner and shit. So, of course, this always seems to happen. I detail a car, and then the next day, what's it gonna do? Rain all day. Well, fuck it. I'm a little upset that I'm gonna have to put the wagon outside because I just cleaned this car again. Doing all these projects in here, I keep having to leave this car outside, and then I don't know what it is about this area, but shit just gets fucking dirty. Like just sitting there fucking gets dirty, dirty. Dust don't want to come off the paint unless I fucking really try and clean it. But I guess whatever it is, what it is, I'll put the wagon outside. And then when I'm done with the Integra, I'm gonna put it back outside, even though I really don't want to. But I don't want to have this thing outside more because I literally just cleaned it too. But I'm literally cleaning the Integra right now. Well, not right now, but I will be. Sucks. But anyway, but today we have to do the roof, the bumpers, and put the fucking innovative traction bar over there on, and then get it sitting right. All right, boys, I'm gonna move cars around, and I will be back. Just look at that water bead. Woohoo, boy. Shit, boys, the Integra's back in the garage. Now I gotta dry it off, because goddamn Mother Nature is a bitch. Yeah, so I'm gonna get to doing that and bang out the roof. So you can just tell the difference in how the condition of the paint is now compared to the spots that I didn't touch last night. Look how dull this looks, even though it's wet. Look at how dull it looks. You can just see like just side by side comparison here. Fresh, clean, water bead. Disgusting. All right, I'm gonna dry it off. I'm not gonna bore you to death with that. All right, boys, it's the next day. The weather is still pretty AIDS, but the Integra is looking damn good. This bumper is AIDS. We're hoping maybe we could snag a new one on eBay. Look how good she looks. Put the new taillights back in with new gaskets this time. Hopefully we don't have any leaks, because we did a few videos back, like 10 videos back. We put them in without new gaskets and they got full water. Luckily they dried out. Let's do it. Let's walk it around.